A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal development, former President Donald Trump has formally requested the United States Supreme Court to review a civil jury's 2023 verdict that found him liable for sexually abusing and defaming writer Jean Carroll. This verdict resulted in a hefty $5 million judgment against Trump, a decision he has vehemently contested since its announcement. Trump's legal team argues that the presiding judge, Lewis Kaplan, made several errors during the trial, particularly in allowing certain evidence that they claim unfairly influenced the jury's perception of Trump. The controversy stems from allegations that Trump sexually assaulted Carroll in the mid-1990s in a New York City department store. The jury, while rejecting Carroll's claim of rape as defined by New York law, concluded that there was sufficient evidence to support her assertion that Trump had sexually abused her. This included a finding that Trump had forcefully inserted his fingers into Carroll's vagina, an act described by Judge Kaplan as an implicit determination of sexual abuse. Trump has consistently denied the allegations, describing Carroll as "not my type" and labeling her claims as politically motivated and implausible. He has suggested that Carroll's accusations were timed to maximize political damage against him following his presidency. His legal team has taken the position that there were no eyewitnesses or corroborating evidence to support Carroll's claims, arguing that the jury's decision was based on a narrative that stretched credulity. The case has been a contentious one, with Trump facing multiple legal challenges related to his interactions with Carroll. In a separate ruling, another jury found Trump liable for defaming Carroll in a 2022 post on his social media platform, Truth Social, where he dismissed her allegations as a hoax. This verdict resulted in an additional financial penalty of $83 million against Trump. Trump's legal representatives have expressed their determination to challenge the jury's verdict at every level, framing the case as part of a broader pattern of politically motivated legal attacks against him. A spokesperson for Trump stated, "The American people stand with President Trump as they demand an immediate end to all of the witch hunts, including the Democrat-funded travesty of the Carroll hoaxes." Despite Trump's insistence on the implausibility of Carroll's claims, the legal landscape has not favored him thus far. The U.S. Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit upheld the jury's decision and denied Trump's request for an en banc review, leaving the Supreme Court as Trump's last avenue for appeal. Whether the Supreme Court will agree to hear the case remains uncertain, as they typically select only a small percentage of the petitions submitted to them. Carroll's attorney, Roberta Kaplan, has refrained from commenting on the Supreme Court appeal, maintaining focus on the legal proceedings at hand. The ongoing legal saga has not only captured public attention due to its implications for Trump, but also raises broader questions about the accountability of public figures in cases of alleged sexual misconduct. As the political landscape continues to evolve with the upcoming 2026 midterm elections, the ramifications of this case could extend beyond the courtroom, influencing voter sentiment and political discourse. The intersection of law and politics remains a hotbed of contention, particularly as both Republicans and Democrats seek to leverage legal outcomes to their advantage in the approaching electoral cycle. In summary, Trump's appeal to the Supreme Court represents a pivotal moment in a high-profile legal battle that has captivated the nation. With substantial financial penalties already imposed and questions surrounding the credibility of the allegations, the outcome of this case could have lasting implications for Trump's political future and the broader conversation around sexual abuse and defamation in the public sphere. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.